Good morning children, I am K.S. sir, working as mathematics teacher in Dr. Besant school. In previous class we have discussed the chapter factors and multiples. Now also we have to continue the same topic, okay, factors and multiples only. All of you open your studio book page number 124. 124. Page number 124. Complete the factor trees. Complete the factor trees for the composite number, for the composite numbers 56 and 81 and 81. First 56. We know that 7 8s are 56. Okay. Next, this is 7 only. You have to continue 7. This is 2 4s are 8. This is continue 7. 7. This 2. This is 2. 2 2s are 7 2 2. That means 56 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. Okay. Increasing order I wrote. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 7s are 56. All are prime numbers only. All are prime numbers only. This is factor trees. Next, about 81. 81. See, 3 27s are. This is 3 9s are. This is 3. This is 3. 3 3s are. So 81 is equal to 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81. So this is the factor trees for the composite number 56 and 81. Okay children, note down. Next, this is called, see, 81. Okay, all these are prime numbers. Okay, so this is called prime factorization. What is this? Prime factorization. Okay, see, every composite number can be expressed as a product of primes. This is a composite number 56. 81, it is a composite number. Every composite number can be expressed as a product of prime numbers. This is a product of primes. This is also product of primes. So every composite number can be expressed as a product of primes. Okay children, this is called prime factorization. This is called prime factorization. Okay, note down. Next, Next, see factors of 30, factors of 45. First of all, we have to write the common factors of 30 and 45. Now we'll write. Then factors of 30. What about factors of 30? Sin 30, that is equal to 130 is 215 ja, 310 ja, 56 ja. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15, 30. These are the factors. So what about the factors? 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and 30. These are the factors for 30. Next, factors of 45. Factors. See, 45, 145 is next 315 ja, next 59 ja, next 1, 3, 5, 9, 15 and 45. So what is the common factors? One, 3, 5, 15. So 1, 3, 5, 15. These are the common factors. So what is the highest common factor? So highest common factor. So what is the highest common factor? 15. Highest H, common C, factor F. So HCF is equal to 15. This is the HCF of 30 and 45. How to find HCF of the two numbers? This is the process we have to follow. First of all, we have to write the factors of first number and we have to write factors of second number. The common factors we have to write. Next, highest common factor we have to write. That is called HCF. Okay, children. This is one good example. Children, note down. Next, So list all the factors of each number, factors of 45 and factors of 32. Next we have to find the factors of 48. Factors of 32. What about the factors of 48? 148 is 224 is 316 is 412 is 68 is okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 24, 48. These are the factors of 48. So factors of 32. 132 is 216 is 48 is 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. So common factors. Common factors 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. Okay. So these are the common factors. So circle the greatest factor that is common both in them. So what is the highest common factor? That is equal to 16 is the highest common factor. Okay children, next. Once I will explain. See now this one, Anu and Divya are playing with marbles. They have 24 red marbles and 18 blue marbles. 24 red, 18 blue. Anu's mother, fascinated by the marbles, challenged the kids to arrange the marbles in rows such that each row contains the same number of marbles. Each row contains only red marbles or only blue marbles. The rows must also be as long as possible. Okay. So what you have to do that? The student guidelines what? The student will have to arrange the marbles per instructions given. First, they need to find the factors of each number. They need to find the common factor between the numbers, and finally the highest common factor, so that they can arrange the marbles. Okay, so highest common factor we have to find. Okay. Next. So what is the assignment here? Assessment. The highest common factor for a pair of numbers. Arrange 6 marbles of the same color in each row. Okay. Arrange the 6 marbles of the same color in each row. Next. So why this activity it is given? Why? Because there is a necessity to find highest common factor. So this is the relation between highest common factor, okay, for this activity. Please observe here. Okay, children. Next, see, next, the highest common factor for pair of numbers. Write all the factors of given numbers and list their common factors. 2 examples already I said, like this you have to do this. Okay. Next, the longest possible row the marbles can be arranged is the HCF of the numbers 24 and 18. So 6 is the HCF of 24 and 18. Okay. Clear? What is the answer? 6. Next, this one already explained. Next. The common factors are 48 and 32. This is explained on blackboard. Next, this one see. In activity 5.9, how many rows of blue chairs and how many rows of red chairs are possible? Explain your answer. Number of rows of blue chairs. So we have to divide 48 divided by 16. That is equal to how many rows? 3 rows. Then number of rows in red chairs. This is 5.9. So why? Because here what is the HCF? What is the HCF? 16. Okay. Then the number is 48 divided by 16, 32 divided by 16. So how many rows? 3 rows for blue chairs. How many rows for red chairs? 32 divided by 16, 2 rows. Okay. So this is for activity to find the HCF. Okay. Next, this is sin. Let us find the HCF of 48 and 32 using short division method. Short division method. Okay. The short division method. See, observe here. 48 and comma 32. 2 24s are 48. 2 16s are 32. 2 12s are 24. 2 8s are 16. Again 2 6s are 12. 2 4s are 8. 2 3s are 6. 2 2s are 4. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 gives the number of plates. 3 is the number of chocolate cupcakes of each plate. 2 is the number of vanilla cupcakes of each plate. See, observe here. This is the question. See. Divya mother baked 48 chocolate cupcakes and 32 vanilla cupcakes. She has requested Divya help her arrange the food on the plate such that each plate has equal number of chocolate and equal number of vanilla cupcakes. So what is the maximum number of plates that can be arranged in this way? So what should Divya do? Find this cut. So for this problem, HCF is the only way to find out. We have to find out what? HCF. So HCF of 48 and 32. Okay. So what about the 48 and 32? 16 is the HCF. Okay. 16 is the HCF. So now observe. 3 is the number of chocolate cupcakes on each plate. So how many? 3. 2 is the number of vanilla cupcakes on each plate. Why? Because the 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, that means 16. 16 3s are 48. 16 2s are 32. The number of chocolate cupcakes and number of vanilla cupcakes, the total we can finish. Okay. Then we can do this equal number on each plate also. Okay. So this is a very good example. So Divya arranged a maximum 16 plates. How many plates? This is indicates plates. How many plates? 16 plates. Each plate, how many chocolate cupcakes? 3. How many number of vanilla cupcakes? 2. So Divya can arrange a maximum 16 plates, each having the equal number of chocolate and equal number of vanilla cupcakes. Okay. This is my today's class. I hope you understood very well. Now I will give you the homework. Children, now I will give you homework. The page number 124, 125, 126, 127 and 128, 129. So page number 124 to 129. So the problems in these pages you have to do practice in your practice book. Watch the video concentrately and write the studio book also. The same sums you have to do practice. Okay children, thank you for listening. Thank you everybody.